I hear 6.5 hours on the road, one stop. And sister came through. Sister made some curry chicken. Was it sweet potatoes or pumpkin?
Mm-mm.
What?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes. I'm ready to. Hot. This was so worth waiting for. Um,
This is delicious.
It is. I didn't eat. I snacked because I said, sister gonna come through. This was all worth it. I can go back home now. Sister eating her bowl. And yes, we eat out of paper plates and bowls. Thank you.
And then it's still on. And then you all wonder why we're getting fat. We're doing what we do best.
And we don't have to do dishes. We'll just throw it away. Chuck it.